Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open incognito browsing session in Google Chrome or how to go in incognito mode in Google Chrome. So if you have the pin to the taskbar in Google Chrome, you can just right click on it and you can find the option that's called new incognito window. So if you click there, now you can see you can have a new incognito window in Google Chrome. So now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. So it's when you're using or go in incognito mode, you can hide the story or the cookies information entered in the device. Chrome will save the following information: your browsing history, cookies, site data, and information entered in forms. Your activity might still be visible to website you visit or impair school internet service provider. So it will only be delete the history and the browsing session that you have been going in this device. So there's another way to go incognito in Google Chrome is you can go to the three dot menu here in the right corner here, and you can see there's an option called new incognito window. So if you press that, so there's another new incognito window in Google Chrome. So if you go back to the open a normal window, you just go to three dot menu here and just click here new window. So it will open another Google Chrome with normal session browsing session. So you can see there's uh, two new incognito windows open here and two normal window. So that's it. This is a very simple tutorial for you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.